Rolling.
All right, so I'm Scott Whelan with Bridgeport Dynamics, and I'm here to talk about Tonto's Lunchbox that we're going to raffle off for fundraising. Looks like a regular toolbox, opens up. The tool tray on top comes with an AR-15 wrench. Set that aside. Check that out. It's a pretty sweet little gun. Pull this part out. Hand guard flips right into place. Take the Velcro off. Quick release. Pin comes out, slide the barrel out. Now you have to have the bolt to the rear to slide this in. Gas tube, and it seats in there. Just simply screw it together, and it fits really tight. Good to go. Slide the hand guard on, pin, quick release. You got yourself a gun. So this is the exact weapon that we'll have at the raffle fundraiser, and I hope you guys are pretty excited about it, because I know we are. Check it out on the website.